Silver and platinum prices exploded at the start of London Trade Thursday, hitting fresh multi-year highs after Chinese Premier Xi Jinping announced new green energy targets for the world's #1 carbon emissions nation. Gold, meanwhile, fell for a second session running despite new U.S. central bank policymaker and White House advisor Stephen Miran urging Fed colleagues to slash interest rates in a round of morning TV interviews. Essential in solar energy photovoltaic systems, silver in China had already risen in price for the fifth session, running overnight after Xi spoke by videolink to the United Nations Climate Conference, hitting new all-time highs above 10,350 yuan per kilo. The dollar price of silver then leapt as Shanghai closed and business opened in London, global hub for bullion trading and storage, gaining $1 per ounce in 3 hours to top $45 for the first time in 14 years. Platinum prices leapt faster, with the white precious metal, used in autocatalysts to cut harmful emissions from fossil fuel engine systems, including hybrid electric vehicles, gaining 3.2% to hit new 11-year dollar highs at $1,521 per troy ounce. U.S. President Donald Trump told the United Nations General Assembly on Wednesday that globalism has failed and must be rejected along with the climate change con job. But with Typhoon Ragasa battering Hong Kong and the southwestern Chinese coast this week, President Xi then made what the BBC calls a landmark pledge for the first time to cut China's emissions, telling the UN that the green and low-carbon transition is the trend of our time. Vowing to reduce the world #2 economy's net greenhouse gas emissions by 7 to 10% before 2035, President Xi said he wants wind and solar energy installations to grow sixfold from 2020 levels, reaching a capacity of 3,600 gigawatts, the same level as China's total installed power capacity today. New energy vehicles will also become mainstream, President Xi said, potentially boosting demand for platinum group metals as autocats in hybrid electric cars require heavier PGM loadings to ensure lower emissions. With platinum finding a small but growing use in hydrogen fuel cell storage and powertrain systems, stockpiling by auto manufacturers in China helped platinum's steep 2025 gains to begin in May, according to industry views and analysis. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.